How to buy Robux on Roblox. First of all, open your application Roblox and make sure you are logged into your account. Now just tap on this icon at the top. Right here you can see that I have 0 Robux right now. It will land you on this interface. Now here we can see different Robux amount with the corresponding amount on dollar. For the 40 Robux you can see that it costs $0.49 and for 80 it costs $0.99. Likewise, you can see more amount for more Robux. So let's say you want to buy 80 Robux. Tap on this 80. Simply tap on OK. Well, different payment method for different country will be available. But right here you can see add credit or debit card. Tap on it. Now you simply need to enter your credit or debit card number. Then you can pay the specific account and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to buy Robux on Roblox. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.